We're obviously doing something that's never been done before. We feel as prepared as possible, but we're going into the unknown.
We all are curious, but also a little bit nervous what comes next in the hardware testing.
We're full of anticipation. What's going to happen on the track? Are they going to deliver?
Quite an amazing feeling when you're driving 300 as you come around the corner of the sunrise coming up.
To sit in the concept AMG GT XX car is something very special for me, very emotional. We are coming from a crazy idea more than 1 year ago, and now it's got real.
When you do a project like this, of course, you set a very, very ambitious target, and that's what the team has done. They're going to take it to an absolutely extreme driving event, go through one of the toughest tasks that you can possibly think of. I think we have that excitement. We believe in the team, there's no doubt about it. So now are they going to deliver?
Well, the tech program of this car is about performance and create the best performing car the world in the electric space has ever seen. But it's more. It's about creating a holistic car on the interior and on the exterior. We see new materials, bio-based materials. So we're just trying to create the future of the automobile here in this concept. A feature which I'm really amazed about is the communication feature of this rear panel here. And I think it's going to be the future of cars where the exterior will communicate with the world and everybody participating in public traffic.
These GT3 tires are the raw material for our luxury performance leather alternative, which we put at the seats in the whole car. We have these 3D printed seat structures, which you can have after a body scan, and then you sit ergonomic perfectly at your seat. It wouldn't be an innovation if we would knew from the beginning that it would work. We are very short before the world premiere of our concept AMG GT XX. So I can't wait to show all the innovations to the public.
All right, ready? Today we are at the home and heart of AMG in here in Walderbach.
Or as we call it, a Fasterbach. It's all about the world premiere of our show car.
So today is a major milestone. We have worked so hard, but today's where we are.
Walking around the site this morning in Walderbach, you feel a lot of energy, and it's amazing what the AMG team did to prepare the whole site, the whole factory site, the development site for this one-of-a-kind event. So I feel super, super proud.
Now at the track, we're practicing pit stops and looking at the car for the first time. The first time I heard about the concept AMG GTXX and the record drive was earlier this year. And to be honest, I thought I misheard the statement when they told me what AMG were planning to achieve. I just couldn't really comprehend it. So straight away I was super excited and I said I wanted to be a part of the challenge. Over the course of the 8 days of driving, we're going to be having 17 different drivers.
So as you can see behind me, we'll be here with 2 cars driving simultaneously. We'll be driving in stints and the drivers changing regularly. So each stint is approximately 3 to 4 laps, which equals 9 to 12 minutes. And depending on what time of day and how hot it is, the drivers will do between an hour and an hour and a half in the car before there's a driver change.
The fact it's got over 1,300 horsepower and its top speed is well over 300 kilometers an hour is insane. But also that it can charge within 2 to 3 minutes, I feel is such an innovation and is really going to change the landscape for EVs in the future.
It's quite an amazing feeling when you're driving 300 as you come around the corner, the sunrise coming up in your eyes. So a special feeling in the morning.
So our drivers here at Nardo, they've got some phenomenal challenges in front of them. Not only do they need to drive consistently at 300 kph for prolonged periods of time, at a given distance to the wall that we've calculated as the optimal. They need to do it in the midday sun and in the middle of the night, with the car getting hot and with the varying conditions. The drivers need to really hit their marks for when they lift and coast, then when they start regenning.
After the first 3 bombs, you have to lift, and after the second 3 bombs, you have to push the pedal, then you should have the right speed to enter the pit lane only from recuperation. Lift.
Lifting off and coming into the pits. Oh my God, that is so impressive.
Pedal.
And what we really want to see is as the driver comes into the pits, he's leaving it to the last minute, taking every 10th of a second as he comes to a halt to start charging.
Until you've done it, you haven't done it. So now we're full of anticipation.
With such a record attempt like this, of course, there's many things that could go wrong.
The weather was not playing into our cards. This day we started the challenge and we will break those records.
The final task in front of us now, we need to win.